Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this my presentation. The first is let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Ulfika. You can call me Fika and I'm from the biology department. And today I'd like to discuss about my review of journal anthropology.
And this time I will explain about what journal I will review. And the table of content is the first is effect of scrotal insulation associated to environmental disconfirm on andrology characteristic in Santa and Strom. And the second is Peronist graft surgery tips and trick from the master in andrologic surgery. And the third is DNA methylation in spermatozoa as a prospective marker in andrology. And the next is I will explain about the content of the first journal. And for the cover of journal, you can see on the screen that I show. And the volume of journal is volume 4 and page 1051 until 1058. And the date in the journal is 30 October 2014. And the years of the journal is 2014. And the writers from the journal is Oliveira, Teixeira, Silva, Feliciano, Neciti, De Oliveira, Vicente, and Rodriguez. And the review from the journal is myself is Nur Olvika. And first journal is have abstract and select effect of scrotal insulation associated to environmental disconfirm on andrology characteristic in Santa Ines Rams content research relate to the effect of increased scrotal temperature on uncomfortable environmental condition or high temperature and humidity in Santa Ines Rams. And the next is introduction is in the first paragraph the author describes what can be caused by an increase in the temperature of the testes. In the next paragraph the author explains what can affect the temperature of the testes and describe the location, namely the Amazon area is located near to equator line and so not showing an photoperiod variation. The author described clearly and also described tables contain data related to the research they carried out, namely the elevation of scrotal temperature caused by scrotal insulation associated to the high environmental temperatures don't seem to have interfered in the testosterone production by the lead by Leydig cell in accordance with the findings. And the next conclusion is the author proves and explained that the results of this study have several important implications related to high temperatures that inhibit the process of testicular regeneration. And for the research track is one, theories and analytical models used are correct, and two, the language used by the author is easily to understand and the intent and purpose of the readers. The analysis is very detailed and easy to understand. And the next research weakness is fourth, the author is incomplete in summarizing the overall contents of this journal. And the second is the author lacks detail in providing the results obtained in conducting his research. And the next is I will explain about what journal I will review is a second journal or a second review is Florence Craft Surgery Tips and Tricks from the Master in Andrology Surgery. And for the cover of the journal you can see on the screen that I show. Volume of the journal is 6 and text 645 to 646. And the years of the journal is 2017 and writer of the journal by Georges Peter Hubbard Lawrence and Lawrence. And the date of the journal is 7 July 2017. And the next of journal review or the second review is abstract. The journal entitled Chronic Graft Surgery Tips and Tricks from the Master in Andrology Surgery is about how the operation process on the male reproductive organs, as well as the importance of surgeons who must have sufficient experience in performing Peyronie's disease transplant surgery. And introduction is in the first paragraph, the author explained about Peyronie's disease or PD, but in the terms of understanding that percentage of men who can be invested symptoms to therapy and the process of this sexting, and reproductive organ. And the next is discussion from the second review. And discussion is the grafting technique for surgical treatment of PD is challenging. In the discussion section, the author divides the subtopic into the several parts. The most important points relate to each technique. Or sealing technique PAG procedure will be highlighted in the following section is 1. Sealing technique and 2. PAG procedure. And the next is conclusion. In the conclusion section, the author provides and explains the present paper over a step-by-step tutorial for grafting technique in PD, and especially for the sealing technique and the PEG procedure in order to help the reader understand the major steps during surgery and to avoid pitfalls. And the next is research strike is the first, the language used by the author is easy to understand, the intent and purpose of the readers, clear explanation and easy to understand. And the second is the author detail in explain the contents of his journal, and the author also includes pictures during the transplant operation process, and this makes it easier for readers to understand. The author is incomplete in terms of concluding the contents of the journal. And the third of the journal is third review is then methylation in spermatozoa as a prospective marker in embryology. And for the cover of the journal, you can see on the screen that I show. Written by the journal is Cleaver, Settlement, Lazever, Have, Glitch, and Crummel. Reviewer from the journal is by myself, is Nur Orfika. Volume the journal is volume 1 and page 731 to 714. The years of the journal is 2013. Date of the journal is 2 July 2013. And the next is abstract. Abstract from the journal is contents about what is meant by DNA methylation and describe a little about a proposed this method. As well as in this section, it's explained that there are volunteers who are the sole sample of the research. Introduction of the journal is in the first paragraph. The author explains related to European couples who know infertility and the cases it can occur. In the second paragraph, the author only provides a brief explanation regarding the post-fertilization process. And in the third paragraph, the author described the strong association of apparent DNA methylation with idiopathic male infertility. And in the fourth, 50, and 60, 70, and 18 and 8 paragraph, they only re-explain what has been explained in the previous paragraph, and especially in the 8th paragraph, the author reveals that the lack of the data that can be present is because volunteer they can only research 10 volunteers. And the next is discussion. In discussion section, the author divides the subtopic into several parts, namely subject and method. And the next is result. And conclusion in the journal is the author proof and explain the overall the data strongly support that mesh DNA methylation can serve as an additional parameter in future oncological assay. They also recommended a reference range for mesh DNA methylation of 0 until 15%, which may have to be adjusted according to ethnicity and laboratory equipment and methods. Research strengths, and the first is the author display a table that is quite easy to understand. And the second is the author is quite honest in the terms of writing his research, which still has many shortcomings in the terms of reference and their volunteer. Research weakness is the first, the author described the data in the preface that is not in accordance with the dissection related to the volunteer taken. And the second is the lack of reference used by the author, which has been clearly acknowledged by the author himself. And the third is lack of data obtained by research in terms of researching the subject. And the fourth is the author uses a language structure that is not clear enough in terms describing his research.
Okay, thank you for your listening. Now, just I have shared is be beneficial for us.